So I was on the Billy Bishop City Airport ferry boat, heading back onto the city land, and I did notice when I was finishing up my live stream, I noticed a projector. I thought it was a movie or something, so it piqued my curiosity. So here I am walking into Games a Week opening night venue here. So check out my other channel, Multitask with Lizzo C. I went live first there, and then I went live on the main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. So check out the live stream unedited.